Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use the currently trending CapCut templates. So in here, I'm going to show you first how you can find the trending templates on CapCut. First, let's head to the templates tab on CapCut mobile, and here to find the trending, what you need to do is just click on the search column at the top, and in here there will be a trending section in here, trending templates on CapCut that you can use. So it is based on your it's country based, so it might be different from yours. So to use them, we can just click on one of the templates. For example, I'm going to try to use this viral, the first keyword. Click on the keyword. Now it's on trend, and here is the list of, there is also a top three templates that you can use. So just select the templates that you want to use. For example, here I'm going to use this one. Click on the templates and just click on the use template. So just add clips or photos into the templates like this. For example, I'm going to add 5 photos. Click on next, and there will be a preview. So this is the preview from the template, and after that you can just click on export and it will be saved to your gallery. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.